In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert site coordinates in AutoCAD using easting and northing values. Start by preparing your coordinate list in a text file, with each point entered in the correct easting, northing format. Copy the coordinates, then open AutoCAD and type "pline" in the command line. Paste the coordinate list and press Enter to automatically create the site boundary. To display points clearly, use the PTYPE command to choose a point style and place points as needed. This method is fast, accurate, and helps reduce errors when creating site plans from survey data. It is especially useful for large coordinate datasets where manual plotting would be time-consuming. You can also verify the plotted points using coordinate inquiry tools to ensure accuracy. Properly organized coordinate data will make importing, editing, and updating site plans much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.